So it seems like there's a lot of people who are curious about the liquidity lock, and I wanted to show you not only how you could check any project's liquidity lock, I want to show you how you can verify it yourself on any blockchain. It's going to look a lot similar like this across basically all blockchains. This is the Binance Smart Chain Explorer because UAFA token is on the Binance Smart Chain blockchain, right? So if you come to the UAFA contract, you can then go to the token tracker, as seen here. You can select holders. You will then see PancakeSwap pool and of course, you know, our burn wallet. But if you click on this PancakeSwap and then click on token holder, filtered by token holder, right? So we want to go to this address page. And now we're looking at the liquidity pair tokens. So then we can go to the token tracker. We can go to the transfers of these liquidity pair tokens and go to the last page. And you will find the lock tokens transaction. You click on the transaction hash. This is the transaction for all of the liquidity tokens, liquidity pair tokens of UAFA. Now, when you go to the logs of this transaction, you can come down here and turn this number here, this hex information, into a number, right? So it shows as a hex number like this, see it? And then you turn it into a number. And now you can take this number and put it into an Epoch Unix timestamp conversion tool, such as this one. I'll put the link in the description or below in the comments. You just put that number in here, you check it. Here, actually, let me refresh the page because I already put it in here just to show you that it's real. All right, so I put this number in here from the contract, 2 years. It's actually locked up for about 560 days. So yeah, all of the liquidity pair tokens are locked, and it is verified on Binance Smart Chain. So I definitely hope you like the video. Make sure you check out UAFA. If you haven't, we're definitely doing a lot of things. We're already applied for CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. So let's go, people.